Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, the project management software. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you sign up and create a Basecamp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and running a lot of different projects, you know it can be kind of time consuming to keep on top of everything and your workers. Whatever the case is, Basecamp is a popular project management software and is handled here on basecamp.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now, in order to create a Basecamp account, you want to click up here on the top right, pricing and sign up. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see two different pricing options. So Basecamp has the basic plan at $15 per month, and then they also have the Pro Unlimited. So basically with here, you get a couple of extra features, and then also you get a lot more storage. So just choose whichever one works best for you. From time to time, they do run free trials. For today, they're doing a 30-day free trial. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the most recent trial available, but I'm going to go ahead and use this Basecamp right here. Okay, next, Basecamp does ask you to enter in your name, your email address, and the company name. So I'm going to enter that information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, last step. Okay, next you will be asked to create a password of at least 12 characters. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in off screen. Okay, I created a password. I'm going to click here, create my new account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me here to my dashboard inside Basecamp. So I can go ahead and start creating projects. I can also start inviting my team into those projects. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Basecamp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.